Yeah, guys, I'm actually wearing a necklace my friend gave me. I'm about to move back to Missouri, so I want to do a quick video about coming out. Okay, I'm not sure what I am, because I've been confused for the last few years. It's been kind of hard because I'm like, do I like girls? Do I like guys? Do I like girls? Do I like guys? I'm just like both. I'm not sure if I am or I do, but Are you really taking her out?
Oh, look.
Yeah, this is going on YouTube, by the way. Precious, say hi.
No. Hello.
Say hi.
Now my freaking toe.
What happened, Rachel? Oh my god, Ray stepped on your toe.
I'm not trying to act cool for the camera. No one's gonna care.
Well, excuse me, Rachel. Anyway, back to the video. I have an annoying sister. Real fun.
Really, I'm the annoying one trying to act all awesome and professional and being on camera. Whenever you suck.
I do not suck.
Mommy.
Go to hell, Rachel.
Oh, I'm already down there. Got my own resume.
Anyway, let's get back to this. Rachel, please just shut up. Anyway, sorry about the distraction for the last 2 minutes. My favorite song is this. I'm going to play a short clip of it.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across
Here's another one.
once or twice. Dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood. Knowing it's all good, it didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, did you ever feel like you're nothing? You are perfect to me. You're still me. Feel like a loser. I feel like I'm lost. I feel like I'm not sure if I feel anything at all.
Okay, anyway, that's done with that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me and message me if you need me. So, bye.